Installing shutters on a brick wall might look difficult, but today I'll show you a simple way to do it. I've seen a lot of videos where people make this job look more complicated than it really is, so I decided to make this video and show you an easier way. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a vinyl shutter on a brick wall. This is actually a pretty simple project, but there are a few tips that can make the job much easier and help the shutter stay secure. So let's get started. First, let's take a look at the fasteners. Most shutters come with a couple of different types of fasteners. For this installation, we're going to use plastic shutter fasteners. These fasteners have small wings along the sides, and when you tap them into the wall, they expand and grip the surface really well. Now let's go over the tools you'll need. For this job, you'll need an electric drill, a wood drill bit for drilling through the shutter, a masonry drill bit for drilling into the brick or mortar, a hammer drill, and a rubber mallet or hammer. Before drilling anything, we'll position the shutter next to the window. To make this easier, you can clamp a small piece of wood underneath the shutter. This helps hold the shutter in place while you check the alignment. Leave about ½ an inch from the edge of the brick. Now let's mark the fastener locations. Personally, I like to drill into the mortar joints between the bricks instead of drilling directly into the brick. The reason is simple. If you ever remove the shutters in the future, it's much easier to patch mortar holes than holes drilled into brick. Next, we'll drill the holes in the shutter first. Now we're ready to drill into the wall. Use the masonry drill bit with a hammer drill to drill the holes. Gently tap the plastic fasteners into the wall with a hammer. Once the bottom is done, do the top to align the vertical line. You don't need a level, just use your eyes to make sure the brick line and the shutter maintain an even spacing. Your eyes are accurate. And that's it. Just keep repeating the process. As you can see, the process is actually pretty simple. After doing the bottom, align the lines while installing the top, and don't use a level. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.